Right, hello, today I'm going to show you how to set up some stuff on OBS. So yeah, don't worry, this will be a full guide and to OBS. Right, let's make a new one. Add scene, you can name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna call it demo because I'm just demonstrating. Right, so demo is now a scene. So for any sources you can choose. So if you want to record your screen like I want to, you can use video capture device. And yeah, this is video. Hi, this is me in real life. Yeah, now you know who the man behind the mask is. And I'll just turn my TV off. This is the man, HackslickYT, device, yeah, and you could just do that, all that stuff, deactivate when, yes, indeed I want that. Yeah, this is how you can change it, like, you can move it in, you can move it wherever you want, you can make it midget, like that, or you can make it like this. It's your choice which one you want it to do, but that's purely your choice. I've shown you how to get face cam, and yeah, right, moving on. Also, this is my gaming setup, my mouse and keyboard. This is what I do to record. I could just say have it like that, but then how would I see the screen? That'll be bad. I have to set up another camera for face cam, but that one, I don't know. Alright, so that's my face. I'm now going to use another source, cancel that. Another source, so I just reduce my FaceTime to midget up there. Right, scene, you can do a video capture device, which now, no, that's not what I want. Actually, yeah, forget that. Discard. Just discard it. Let's delete, remove. Right, so now I'll just make a new one, which is display capture. Display capture, just what's on the screen. Yeah. This is what is on your screen as well. So yeah. And it seems that my face has disappeared, so that's fun. Yeah, I recommend doing it that way. Yeah, I will be sure. Remove. Right, now let's add another. Yeah, I'm sure I want to remove that. Add new source. Game capture. I believe this is just to capture any full screen application. Scale, resolution, transparency. Limit, capture frame rate, capture cursor. Cursor's this. Move around, capture any, yeah. You can scroll down. Use anti-cheat compatibility. This is all the customizations, wait, third party, blah blah blah, such as Stream. So yeah, I just noticed my screen has just gone like big. It's like zoomed in. That's just how it normally is, I don't know. Alright. So that shows any full screen applications, which I do not have any of. So now I shall remove this for your review and see. Game capture. Right. Color source, browser, audio input capture, all this wonderful stuff, and yeah, that's basically how you do it. Also, I'll just show you how to get images. Image, it's just image, media source, you can do that. Image, you just like, and then image slideshow. I'm not sure actually how you do this. We shall test. Always play even when not visible. Fade. Side. Let's try that. Image files. Let's add some image files. Yep, add files. This is just a hit in the dark. Downloads. Memes. So if I did that. Yeah. Add another one. Add another file. That. Okay. So this should now this is how you this is basically how you do what the image slideshow actually does. This basically allows for you to make slideshows of images, and yeah. I'm not sure how you customate like the time of it like switching, but I know there should be a way to do that. There'll be another video coming out tomorrow, just like me just chilling during the coronavirus. Just, I don't know what to call it. You can check your recording, how far you've been recording in the bottom right. Yeah, and then that'll just occasionally switch. Yeah, and yeah, you can add more files. Add more images. Actually, yeah, that ain't it, fam. And more image slideshows. You can have 2 going at once, and yeah, thank you very much, and yeah, that's image technical difficulties. Please stand by. I love that. This is just the audio mixer. You can change how loud the computer, the game. Alright, this is the game. This is mic volume. Closer you are, the louder the mic is, and the more volume. This controls how high the mic can go. So if I wanted it to be quiet, I could just limit this, and yeah, it wouldn't go any higher than that, I think. And yeah. That's the game volume, that's mic volume. Scene transition, it can just cut to that, or you can make it fade. Hello again, seems my thing is frozen. Fun. Okay, webcam. So if we remove that, boom, yep. And it says add it back. Capture device, yeah. Webcam. And yeah, we're back. Hi. Let's reduce that to in the corner, and this is on days where I just feel like using a face cam when I feel confident enough, which is hardly ever. So this may be one of the only times you actually get to see my face cam. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found this beneficial. Like and subscribe. This took like hardly any effort to make, but I really do hope this helped you out. Thank you ever so much for watching. Like, subscribe, click the bell, and peace out.